Today we will look into our first test of difference. We will look into the use of independent sample t-test to test two different variables. One will be categorical and then one will be measured on a scale. So recall that in our earlier videos that we already identified the data, we already record and compute our data accordingly. So for the premium and the program variable, we already computed from the 6 item here. Okay, and then for program is 3 item here. Okay, so to do t-test, first of all, you need to copy out the data separately into another page, something like this. So what I did is I want to look at by different gender. Is there any difference when different gender look at premium? Okay, look at premium in this sense. So male and female, is there any difference when they look at premium? Okay. So before we do that, okay, what you need to do in t-test is, first of all, you need to sort the data. Okay, you need to sort the data according to the categories. So for gender, okay, I will categorize it as male and female. Okay, male followed by female. So how do I do that? I just go to data. First, create a filter first. Okay, once filter is out, what you do is you can click on the filter and then you can click on sort smallest to largest. All right, since it is in numerical, so it's quite easy for us to sort it accordingly. So what I'll do is, one, it is sorted according to the gender, 1 and 2. So you can just create a different color code so that you won't get yourself confused between male and female. So this is color for male, and this is color for female. So I'll just maybe give something like a blue color. All right, so it's much clearer now. Now, to do a t-test, independent sample t-test, all right, you actually need to have your data analysis, okay? So your another analysis earlier, I've shown how do you get this data analysis, okay? So once you have this, just go to data analysis, and you realize that there is, at the bottom here, there is actually quite a number of different t-tests. Now, for independent sample t-test, you are either using an equal variance or an unequal variance, okay? So what does it mean by equal variance? What does it mean by unequal variance? Equal variance basically mean that for group category of male and female, they're actually equal. Unequal, they are unequal, okay? So you need to create what we call as a hypothesis. Okay, you need to create a hypothesis. So what I did here is I have written a hypothesis, all right, to assume that null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. Okay, I will assume that the null hypothesis will say that there is actually an equal variance, means that male and female is equal. The alternative hypothesis would be unequal. Okay, so how do I know it is equal? How do I know it is unequal? All right, for null hypothesis, when it is equal variance, let me just close this thing. Okay, equal variance, the p-value is supposed to be bigger than or equal to 0.05. But what if the p-value results later is smaller than 0.05? Then it simply means that you are doing unequal variance. So what you see in your data analysis, okay, is that you have actually a selection of equal and unequal. So which one to use here? So in order to know which one to use, first you need to run a quick f-test. Okay, you need to run a quick f-test. So I'll just run a quick f-test for male and female. Okay, so this is f-test. So I need to identify the variable 1 range. So the variable 1 range is actually this one, correct? Then I need to identify the variable 2 range is actually this, which denote the female. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll put an output just to show the result. I'll put the output of the F output here. Okay, and then just click OK. So what you see here is you actually see the mean and the variance of both of the variables. So variable 1 is actually here, variable 2 is here. Okay, so the results, the F value is here. Okay, I'll just highlight this in yellow. And see that the F value here is 0.22, which is bigger than 0.05. Meaning to say, when the p-value is bigger than 0.05, then the variance between these two groups is equal. Okay, it's equal means that you can assume that they are similar. Okay, so it is equal in this sense. Okay, from then you will choose the t-test that you want to use. So in this sense, the t-test that I would use is a two-sample t-test assuming an equal variance. Okay, so you need to do this f-test first before you choose the which t-test you want to do. So in this sense, the f-test shows that the p-value is bigger than 0.05, so it's actually an equal variance. So then I would use this t-test, a two-sample assuming equal variance, for further analysis to do an independent sample t-test. Okay. All right, same thing. You need to identify the first variable and the second variable. The first variable is, okay, let me just delete this. Okay, this is the first variable, the data for the first variable, and the data for the second variable is here. Okay, and then you can put the output range somewhere here, the output range somewhere here. Okay, and then just click OK. Now you have your t-test. So this is your t-test. So how do you read your t-test? Same thing. You have the mean and the variance. Okay, this is the mean and the variance, or the standard deviation. Okay, in t-test, there's actually two results. One is one-tail and two-tail. We will only take the two-tail results. So this is the two-tail result in t-test. Okay, this is the two-tail, and then this is the t-value. Okay, this is the t-value. This is the p-value. So from the result, I can see that, okay, the p-value it's bigger than 0.05. Let's just assume now that our hypothesis, okay, our hypothesis is this, for this particular test. We want to assume there is a significant difference in premium by different gender. Let's just assume it. So from the look at the results using a t-test, assuming two equal variants, the p-value here is 0.12, which is, in this sense, it's actually bigger than 0.05. When it's bigger than, it means that there is no significant difference. Okay, there's no significant difference. So what happened is that in our alternate hypothesis here, is written in a way that it says there is a significant difference in premium by different gender. But from the p result here, it shows that the p-value is bigger than 0.05. So our hypothesis here is rejected. Okay, it is rejected because there is actually no significant difference, because the p-value is bigger than 0.05. Okay, so to summarize, you can actually do something like this. Okay, of course, you have your data, you've done your f-test to identify which particular independent sample t-test you want to use, either equal or unequal. Okay, so from here it seems like you're going to use unequal variance, okay, based on the p result here. So once you conducted your t-test, all right, based on the result, you will answer your hypothesis. So hypothesis here says there is a significant difference in premium by different gender. However, the result here shows that there is no significant difference because the p-value here is bigger than 0.05. So you can have a conclusion here. There is no significant difference in male and female, okay, viewing, or call that perception on premium, for example. Okay, so I will say that I will show the t result. The t result is equal to do something here. The t result is equal to 2.04. I will just keep it to decimal point. P is equal to 0.12. Okay, in this sense, your hypothesis is rejected. Okay, so you have you do something like this. Okay, so based on the results from here, you can say that your hypothesis is rejected, and this is your justification from the findings. Okay, now bear in mind for t-test, okay, there is a limit to t-test. All right, if you only have two groups of comparison, all right, then you use t-test. Okay, if you have more than two groups, then you don't use t-test, because t-test cannot help you to compare more than two groups. So the two group here is the first group for female, for male. The second group is for female in this sense. Okay, so in this particular data, I can use t-test and to see is there any difference in premium by different, in this sense, by different gender. All right, so that's it for our t-test tutorial.